today's video is gonna be a good one, hopefully. Today is the day I finally will be installing my brand new headlights. And yeah, because I hate driving without a bumper, because I feel like a straight up racer. Like, I feel like I want people to know that, like, yeah, bro, boost it, bro. I don't know, bro. I like having a bumper on a car. Like, I don't like driving without a bumper. But first, gotta go back to Zoomies and return the shoes. I bought them because they were clean and they only had a 10.5. I wear size 11. I'm like, nah, bro, I'm straight. So yesterday I kept trying different socks on to put them on to make sure like they'll be comfortable, and they wasn't so comfortable. So I'm gonna go exchange them for a size 11. I'm gonna have to have them shipped to the house. I've been in the car for like 3 minutes and I'm already sweating. This is ridiculous. Maybe because I'm wearing a jacket and a long sleeve and damn near 106-degree weather. But after we leave Zoomies, we're gonna head over to O'Reilly's to go visit Tuck Tuck so your boy can finally warranty out these spark plugs. Yes. Alright, we made it to the mall. I'm gonna go in here quickly and exchange this crap. I'll see y'all in about now. Because it's camera, I can edit it when I can see y'all again, so it don't make really sense saying, see y'all in a bit, bro. Because if I see y'all in a bit, then I mean, it's gonna be like a black screen for like, till I get back, and like, that's stupid. That's wasted camera space, and you know, that's just like, it's like the evolution of food. Like, you have ramen noodles, then you got Nissan noodles, like top ramen noodles. Y'all eat Moroccan noodles, Moroccan, or top Nissan? Huh? My dude got a spray bottle as an antenna? Bro, revolutionary. Alright, got the new plug. This Tucker wasn't working, so I ain't feel like filming, but my man Ryan hooked it on up for you, Benoy. Let's get home and get to the reason why you clicked on this video. Let's install these headlights. Now we back at the cribbo, ready to install the headlight. Now this install video may suck due to not having the top piece for my tripod. I left it in Randy's truck, and Randy's at work. Yeah, so I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this properly to make it look somewhat decent. It ain't a sponsored video or anything like that, but yeah, man, I wanna just, you know what I'm saying, up the quality a little bit, son. So you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna make it do what I gotta do, son. Should I unbox it outside or inside? So I figured outside would be a much better and brighter video instead of me being in the dark room or whatever. But here we have the headlights I bought off eBay from a seller called Sim Mode. I'll link the seller's information down below. There was $100, like a 99.07 or whatever, but $100 for them. They are projector headlights. I ain't got $400 to drop on some OEM headlights that's gonna fog up in like a year and a half anyway. So what's better than going with halos, bro? They 100 bones and they look dope.
But your car's not a Challenger, bro. It's not a Charger. It does not deserve a halos, bro. You don't have an M3, M4, M5.
I know, but it looks clean, so it's all good, bro. Y'all be like, yo, Zosh, what headlights you running? I used to run Spider headlights, but them things taxing now. They want way too much from them now, B. I can't afford that, and I'm on a strictly ramen noodle budget, B. So I got these for 100 bones. So let's open these bad boys up and give you guys a first look at them, and me a first look, because, I mean, they were $100, so, I mean, I ain't expecting too much. I just need new headlights so I can throw my bumper on, but, let's get it. Got my Cutter Brother 3000 blade. You know what I'm saying? I gotta stay strapped with this, because you never know, cuz. Alright, I need this. Woohoo! Ooh, they look pretty good. Check it out, this plastic. These are the headlights. Freaking spotless. Damn, this is so clean. Holy hell. Damn, son. And here's the passenger one. Freaking just mint. I gotta get some beauty shots of these things. Jesus, so nice. God, I love new headlights, man. So my first impression of these things is just like, bro, they're nasty, bro. They are perfect. Like, they feel just like the Spider ones. Like, they got that hard plastic feel, like glass-like feeling. And they was only $100, bro. Now, I'm gonna have a problem with the wiring of the halos because Randy did it and I have no idea how to do it. But then again, they already wired up, so I just gotta trace my steps. But enough of this chit chat, bro. Let's get to installing these bad boys, son. Is it just me, or have I been saying let's install these bad boys for like the entire video without actually installing them? So let's just do it. All right, so first things first, popping the hood. Right. Now we get to actually skip this step because it's broken, but there's two 10mm or 12mm bolts right here, and there's one on the bottom that keeps the headlight in place. But if you don't know what happened, like a month ago, I was heading to the Street Racing Made Safe event, which is like a local drag racing event for like street cars, I guess. I don't know. I kind of bumped into a friend, and the headlight said, and this is what I got. What I'm gonna do right now is basically just uninstall the light portion of the headlight. So I'm getting rid of my HID ballast. So what I did was just cut the 4 existing halo wires, because I'm just going to splice into the harness itself again. So I don't really need those, but basically here it is. One down, one more to go. So first things first, you want to loosen up these first 2 bolts. They are both 10mm, and that's pretty much it for the top part of it, I guess. I mean, I don't know, I ain't no installer or something. I ain't professional. Like, y'all understand, like, all my... Then you have one more 10mm bolt right there to loosen. There would be one here, but obviously I don't have the bolt. But yeah, it's 2 up top, 2 on the bottom, 1 there, and 1 there. Now that all your bolts are loosened, you can disconnect all the headlights from the connectors or whatever. Headlight bulbs, I mean. See, I hate doing these type of videos. I mean, it's just the best and stuff, whatever. So we're just gonna take them out. And just that easy. Just that easy. This headlight's actually not that bad. I'm gonna keep this as a backup just in case I crash my car again, because you know me, bro. You know me. I guess the cat's out of the bag now that my headlights are removed. Guess it's time to tell you guys that I'm going Jap front. Why you lying? I don't know. Come on, son. You know your boy ain't going no Jap front, son. USDM all day. Come on, son, you know me. Let's just admire the beauty of this headlight one more time. Just, oh my God, just look at the ice, bro. Just, you can see me talking in the lower right-hand corner of the headlight, bro. Y'all probably can hear that too, but fire, bro, fire. Only me, bro. Let me just show you guys what my problem is right now. So, you guys see this, right? This is where you put, like, your LED, HID. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Where you put your bulb, right? This is the new headlight. And this is the old headlight. I need this right here to be this. Well, first L of 2018, boy. Had to take my first L, son. And I made sure when I ordered these headlights that they have this type of socket. This is straight bootness. I need this, bro. This is what I need. I wonder if I'm able to swap the entire, like, back casing frame of the headlight. Probably not. I have no idea. I got one of the new headlights installed, and it's looked perfect. Like, it looks... Oh, hold up, son. Alright. Looks perfect, bro. Looks perfect. But I came back here, and I'm like, bro, what is this? No, I don't need this. It be your own headlights, bro. It be your own headlights. So I just installed the other one. I still don't know what I'm gonna do. I have no idea. I don't know if they sell like socket adapters. I don't know, bro. I have to somehow be able to swap this out for the one on the old headlights so I can run my aux beam headlights that they sent me, because your boy needed new headlights because that one was crashed, and you know what I'm saying, you don't want to just replace one and not the other. And they also sent me the high beam ones too, but I can't install either due to these bonk headlights. I mean, but they're so pretty, bro. They look amazing. They look amazing. I just can't use them. Ah, this sucks, bro. I gotta do some research, son. I gotta do some research. But what do you guys think? Because I probably won't do research at all. I'll probably just keep them in here. Just gotta go buy bulbs now. Actually, I ain't buying bulbs, bro. I got brand new headlight bulbs just chilling under my Christmas tree. There's no way I'm buying new headlights. But I can't drive my car at night now, which sucks. And I'd have to get these wired up ASAP before some short out and then I'm screwed. So, yep, I don't know what to do. What do you guys think I should do? I don't want to send them back because that's too much of an hassle, but I can't really use them with my aux beam products. So it's like, what do I do? You know what I'm saying? I don't know, bro. I don't want to sell them because then I have to ship. I don't want to ship. Your boy can finally put on this bumper now, which is amazing, even though it's all booted over there. But I can finally put it on, but I can't drive the car at night now. This blows butthole juice, son. So the new headlights are an H1, and my old ones are an H3. I gotta sell my brand new headlights. I would ship them back, but it's too much of a hassle. Plus I gotta pay shipping and restocking fee, and that's gonna bring my total down to like, I don't know. So I'll probably get refunded like 60 bucks. So I'd rather just sell them to somebody around town who runs like factory bulbs or whatever. I don't know. They're mint though, but damn, now I gotta install the old ones back. I took my first car L of 2018. Well, many more to come, but let me get this thing installed. Got the old ones back in. What an L, bro. What a fat L, bro. But on the bright side of things, if you guys are looking for brand new headlights for your car and you plan on running stock bulbs forever, hit me up, bro. I got some clean, brand new headlights for you, bro. And yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 2.
Ricer Zosh is here to stay. Shaking my head. Okay, so after like 20 minutes of just thinking about what my possible choices are, I realized that hopefully I'm able to send back the stuff that Auxbeam sent me in exchange for H1. I might could run the new headlights if they send me the H1 LEDs, but yeah, that's pretty much all that I came up with. Hopefully Alice hit me back and we can see what we can do. Yeah, that's my options right now. Yeah, man, I mean, that's all I can do. I gotta vacuum out the car, bro. It's starting to look like a mess. I gotta vacuum out the car. It's starting to look like a mess. On camera, it looks all gray and nasty, but in person, it looks black and looks clean. I just gotta vacuum it out and get rid of the jumper cables and take them back to Randy's house. Stuff like that, but a little race car looking a little pretty cool. It looks a little pretty cool. But yeah, so now what I'm about to do is go visit my niece. I could wrap the video up here, but why not? I'm just dragging on a little bit more. Y'all already watching, you know what I'm saying? You all stay tuned. So let's go see my niece. I'm about to die. Oh no, we good. Jasmine. Dang, just you a big brother now, boy. You gotta set the example now. You gotta do something, boy. Dang. What's up, Jazz? You with that foolishness. You only 2 days old.
I know.
Some dude said in the comment, he said your next video gonna be going for a pool with a 17-hour-old baby. I said I'm going straight to jail. Time to get up out of here and get home, son. Let's go home. Yo! So I just got back home and yeah, time to close out the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm running a promotion on my website. Well, if you want a key tag and a Marauder band, you can pick up both for a cool little 25 bones, which means you only get $5 off the key tag. So, I mean, I guess, right? I don't know. I think that's a cool promo. I don't know. I just want Marauder to be worldwide, son. And we making it happen. And if anyone placed an order of any sticker I've ever made, please send them to this email on the screen right now so I can put them up on my website and show y'all some love and gratitude, baby. I will put it on my Instagram, but bro, all the people that supported me the past like month and a half, 2 months, I can't do that. But so that's why it'd be cool to have product placement shots on my website of happy customers that support and love your boy. But that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. It is 9:30 p.m. right now, 1/11/2018, and I have to upload today at 1/11/2018 before 12 o'clock. Let's see if I can do the daily upload grind, baby. Let's see if I can do it. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, which would be, I have no idea because I have no content planned after this. But my Aero Catch hood pins came in today, so hopefully I can make a video about that, but I'm scared to do it. But all right.